Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In this box, I have something that I picked up from the last AliExpress sale that they had. It's a watch that is an homage to a Rolex, and it will be the first GMT that I've ever purchased in my life. Now, I got this, like I said, on the AliExpress sale. This is the Pagani Design PD 1662. So we're going to take a look at this, and then we're going to go over some of the specs. This is exactly how this box was shipped to me, completely taped up. I have no idea where to begin, but there feels like there's a seam there. I have a feeling they just might have taped directly over the actual watch box itself, which is going to stink. I didn't get this from the actual Bikini Design store, but from a third party, I guess a third party or second party or another retailer on the AliExpress website. Guess getting into this box might be the hardest part of this unboxing. There we go. Oh, good. They didn't just tape over the actual watch box. So there we have our Bikini Design logo. There is some damage on this particular box, but I'm not completely surprised considering this came from China in a matter of like 11 days. Magnetic flap. And there we have it. You get our nice little polishing cloth there. Our watch. Inside the box we have our tag, which I will put right back in there. We have our user's manual, which tells you how to set the date and time. And we have the warranty card, which is not filled out at all, obviously. And looking at the watch itself, I haven't taken, this is the first time I've seen this watch, but you can see it's already running. It has a screw down crown, which will help with that 100-meter water resistance that it has. So you can pull all the way out to set time, or there's your GMT time set there. Then I guess that's winding it. Okay, and the other direction just changes the date. And this is the, like I said, the first Pagani Design watch I've ever purchased. It's also the first GMT I've ever had. I've always been curious about Pagani Design, as I've seen these online and I've seen other YouTubers talk about them. This is probably PM that we're in now. Yep, that was PM. We'll fiddle with the GMT dial later. The bezel has 120 clicks. It feels very solid, and there's just a little bit of back play, but not terrible. This is supposed to be the Pepsi dial style. You've got Pagani Design laser etched into the bracelet. Nice double clasp there. I said something online about purchasing this watch, and somebody was like, oh, well, obviously you should just purchase a Rolex. Well, there's a huge difference between a Pagani Design watch and a Rolex, and a lot of it has to do with money. Not to mention build quality, but a lot of it has to do with money. Like, this is a watch channel, of course, but I am also starting out in the hobby of watch collecting, and I don't have that kind of money to just throw around on watches yet. I do have a goal, though. I am buying and selling watch lots and watches on eBay so that I can repair the broken watches and turn around and sell them so that I can start getting the watches that I really want. There we go. And we're talking about buying and selling watches online. This is the latest watch that I've picked up. This is a Chteau digital jump hour watch. I picked it up on eBay. It was part of a lot. Bought a nice leather strap for it. And I really, really like digital jump hour watches. They're so cool. But going back to the watch at hand, Bikini Design PD1662. Got a case diameter of 40 millimeters, a case thickness of 14 millimeters. It's got sapphire glass on the front with a safety folding clasp on the back. It's made out of all stainless steel, and it's 148 grams. Your strap is 20 mil. It looks like it goes down just a little bit. You have an exhibition case back, which I've got one more sticker to peel off of here. There you can see the Bikini Design logo on the rotor. Now you can even see in the movement here that they are trying to pay homage to Rolex with some of the gear mechanisms looking like they're trying to emulate the colors of a Rolex. But again, this is they're $58 now at the time of this filming on AliExpress, but I picked mine up for, I think, $43. But that is what that's going to look like on wrist. Not too bad looking. The only thing I don't really like about it is that Cyclops lens over the date. That just makes it, to me, it seems like it's harder to read than it would be if it wasn't there. But all in all, it feels like a pretty solid watch. Now I'm going to give this watch a couple weeks on wrist and hopefully come back with an actual review for you. So if you have any questions about the watch, its design, how it wears, leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to try to answer those as soon as I can. My plan with this watch is to put it in my collection with the rest of the watches that I wear on a daily basis and see how it puts up with the way I work, live, and play. So like I said, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. This has been my unboxing video for the Bikini Design PD1662. I thank you for watching, and have a great day.